Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to learn about something really exciting called the AI workflow for content creators. Don't worry if it sounds like a big or difficult topic, because by the end of this video, you'll understand it as easily as making your favorite sandwich. Imagine you have a super smart robot friend who is always ready to help you. This robot doesn't do everything for you, but it helps you think faster, work smarter, and finish your projects more quickly. That super smart helper is called artificial intelligence, or AI. Before we talk about AI, let's understand what a content creator is. A content creator is simply someone who makes things for other people to enjoy on the internet. They might create YouTube videos, Instagram posts, TikTok videos, blogs, podcasts, or even online courses. Think of a chef who makes delicious food for people to eat. In the same way, a content creator makes fun, helpful, or interesting content for people to watch, read, or listen to. Now let's meet our helper, AI. Imagine you're building a huge Lego castle. It would take a long time if you had to do everything by yourself. But what if you had a friendly robot that could hand you the right Lego pieces, suggest new ideas, and help you build faster? That's exactly what AI does. It doesn't replace you or your creativity. Instead, it helps you save time so you can focus on creating amazing content. Every great piece of content starts with an idea. Sometimes creators know exactly what they want to make, but sometimes they stare at a blank screen wondering, what should I create today? This is where AI becomes very helpful. You can ask it to suggest video ideas, trending topics, or interesting questions that people are asking online. In just a few seconds, AI can give you dozens of creative ideas, making it much easier to get started. Once you have an idea, it's time to write a script. The script is like a map that tells your story from beginning to end. Instead of spending hours trying to find the right words, AI can create a first draft for you. It can write introductions, explain concepts, organize your ideas, and even make your writing sound more exciting. But remember, the script shouldn't sound like a robot. You should always add your own personality, stories, and experiences because that's what makes your content unique. After writing the script, it's time to create visuals. People love looking at colorful pictures, animations, and graphics because they make videos more interesting. AI can generate beautiful images just by reading a simple description. If you ask for a happy dog riding a skateboard or a futuristic city in the clouds, AI can create those pictures in just a few moments. It's almost like having an artist who can draw anything you imagine. Now that we have pictures and a script, we need a voice. Some creators like recording their own voice, while others use AI voice generators. AI can read your script using natural-sounding voices that are clear, friendly, and available in many different languages and accents. It's like having a professional storyteller who can read your script whenever you need one. The next step is putting everything together into a video. AI video tools can combine your script, images, voice, animations, music, and transitions into one complete presentation. Think of it like building a puzzle. Each piece is important on its own, but when all the pieces fit together, they create something beautiful that everyone can enjoy. Even after creating the video, there's still one more important step called editing. Editing is like cleaning your room after playing with your toys. You remove things you don't need and make everything look neat and organized. AI can automatically cut silent parts, remove mistakes, add subtitles, improve sound quality, create smooth transitions, and even suggest the best places to zoom in or add effects. This saves creators a lot of time while making their videos look more professional. When the video is finished, it's time to share it with the world. Before clicking the publish button, AI can help create catchy titles, interesting descriptions, eye-catching thumbnails, and helpful hashtags that make it easier for people to find your content. Once everything is ready, you upload the video and let your audience enjoy what you've created. So let's quickly review the complete AI workflow. First, you come up with an idea. Then you do a little research. After that, you write your script, create your images, generate or record your voice, combine everything into a video, edit the final result, design an attractive thumbnail, and finally publish your content for everyone to see. Each step becomes faster and easier with the help of AI. However, there's one very important thing to remember. AI is an amazing helper, but it can never replace you. AI doesn't have your imagination, your personal stories, your emotions, or your unique way of connecting with people. It simply gives you powerful tools to help bring your ideas to life. You are still the creator, the storyteller, and the person who makes the content special. So think of AI as your creative assistant instead of your replacement. Just like a superhero has a helpful sidekick, every content creator can have AI as a partner. It helps you think, write, draw, speak, edit, and publish faster, while you bring the creativity, passion, and originality that no machine can copy. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you understand how AI makes content creation easier, faster, and more fun. Keep learning, keep creating, and remember that the best tool in the entire workflow isn't AI. It's your imagination.